Hey guys, on today's episode of Garage Boys, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel pump on a Nissan Quest. This is a 2008, but this will work between the 2004 all the way to 2010 to replace the fuel pump. It's actually a very common problem with these vehicles, and the fuel pump, you can access it through here, to the top. So easy process. Purchase the part on Amazon. I'm going to put a link down below if you want to purchase the part. You can find it there, or you can buy it at your local dealer or stealer. But what we're gonna do first is we're gonna remove the seats in the middle, because we have to remove the carpet to access the fuel pump. And I'm gonna show you step by step. I already kind of took off the floor mats, and now I'm gonna show you what to do with the chairs first, and then how to remove the carpet. All right, guys, so the first step to remove this, as I mentioned before, just we have to take out the seat. So we're missing this cover here, but it doesn't really matter. Just come in here, push this back, just like this. All right, and then come down here. We're gonna remove this little cover, which I already did, so I can show you where the clips are. The major clip is down here, back here, so just pull this back, it pops out, and then you can kind of push it forward and remove the clips that are on the sides. And this comes out, all right? And then let me just show you, I just wanna show you the location of the clip. So see here, there's this clip here, and there's one on the other side, and it holds right here in this corner. So once you remove the main one in the back, which is this one, back there, you pop it out, you push forward, and it comes out. So then you can remove this cover, take it out. Once you remove that cover, we're gonna take out this bolt right here. There's one here, one on the other side, and then there's one right here. They're size 14, but I'm gonna show you more details about those in just a second. All right, guys, so you're gonna come in here and just remove these two nuts right there. There's one right there, there's one right there, and then the bolt right here. They're all three are size 14. This is my setup. You got the ratchet with extension and the socket. Just remove those three, and you can take out the whole seat. Then just repeat the same process with the passenger seat behind the driver, this one. And we're gonna remove both of them so you can pull back the carpet. Another way you can do this is some people make a hole right here so you can have access to the fuel pump. But we're just gonna go ahead and remove the carpet back. So go ahead and just take out these two seats, and I'm gonna show you what to do next. All right, guys, so now that I removed the seats, as I mentioned before, you're gonna come in here and remove these four plastics. This one, this one, this one, and that one. I removed one so I can show you where the clips are. It's very easy. See where the clip is? Right here. This is the clip. It has one on this side, but so it goes like this. What you have to do is come in with a flathead in here and just push. You can push this in so that clip can come out, and then you kind of pull up and then push on this side. So come through in here and just push it in. So what you want to do is just squeeze it in so you can come out. Same process for all four of them. Just go ahead and remove those, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, guys, I took those covers off, and now just remove the ones from the door. I took that one out so I can show you kind of where the clips are. But just literally just come in here with your hand, pick this up, and you can hear the clicks pop. Just pop. There's like four, I think. Just pop them out. Let me show you the location just so you can have an idea. So it's two here, middle, zigzag, and then two on the sides. Goes like this. So as you can see there in the middle, just pop it up, and that's it. Now we can remove our carpet. So let me show you where to go next. All right, guys, so remove those plastic covers. Now just bring the carpet back. There's really nothing holding it except for these two clips, which are in the corners, and they are right here in these little holes. There's only two. You just put your hand in and pull it up. Comes right out. There's one here and one there. That's it. And then just bring it back. We pushed back the rear seat, just you know how you can just pull in the back and it automatically hides. We're just keeping it there. It's not bothering us anymore. And now we're just gonna get the carpet and move it all the way back, because our fuel pump is right there. Okay, so I'm gonna clean the area up and have access to it and show you what to do next. All right, guys, we pushed the carpet all the way back. You don't have to do any more than that. That's our fuel pump right there. Just come in here. You're gonna raise this whole plastic a little bit, and it kind of clicks, pops out a little bit so you can have access. And you're gonna get a Phillips screwdriver, and there's three of them. And you have to turn this little thing so they can line up. We just turn that one in. Let me show you with this one. We're gonna turn it. We're gonna turn that. Let me hold this. Yeah, so you can just line up. Same with this one. So you can line up with a little metal, and then you can bring this up. So you can take out that cover. So take out that cover, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, guys, so we remove the cover. Just use a flathead. It may be a little bit sticky because of this, but just put a flathead in, pop it out. Super easy. Now that's our fuel pump. I'm gonna disconnect these three connectors that we have. So first of all, the big one is gonna be a push and pull. So you're gonna push here and pull back. Kind of loosen that up already, but just push the button and pull back. This one here, just press that blue and pull it out, which we already did that already, but just push here. Just push this together and pull that out. That's 2. And then the third one, it's, I guess, a little bit more tricky, but just with a flathead, just come in here. You kind of do that on both sides, and it comes out. And there you go. So now it's out. So now for the fuel pump, we're gonna turn it and bring it out. And I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. Now our goal is to turn this, and then it will come right out. The new one, we bought it on Amazon, like I mentioned before. It was under $50. I have the link at the bottom. But let me show you how to remove this one. All right, guys. So now that you're here, you're just gonna get a flathead and a hammer. And you're gonna start tapping it in the corners so you can move it. See how we already did half of it. So our goal is just to get different. You can use this one right here, that hole right there. Make sure you don't get this up here. You can break that this little hook. So just kind of do this, tap it, and do all the way around. Our goal is to turn this like this, so you can loosen it out and then bring it right up. Okay. So just go ahead and do that. Just play with it. Go around. It's gonna take a little while. Just tapping, and that's the cheapest and easiest way to get this out. It's just simple. So just do that, and I'm gonna show you what to do next. All right, guys. We removed it already. It was a little bit of work, but you know what we did towards the end? We kind of see these little sticks here, the clips that hold it in. Kind of put in the flathead, and we kind of hammered in the flathead and the borders, and kind of brought it up so we can push open those little panels because these little bumps right here, they have to go through the panel, through the clip. So they won't go through because the clip is too low. So you have to kind of put in the flathead and bring it up. So you can kind of let this little bump go through it, and that's it. Now that it's off, you can pull all this thing out. It's gonna be get ready for all that fuel smell and maybe some leaking, but let me kind of take this out and show you what exactly to do and not to do. All right, guys, so I'm gonna hold this here, just gonna remove it, and it's gonna leak a little bit, and also keep the area clean for what it's worth. Make sure you don't lose gaskets. See all the gas. Just wait. There we go. So there we go. Obviously we're gonna try and get you back inside. It actually looks like this has already been replaced. But they have this issue, this Nissan Quest, where this goes out. And actually, you won't notice it, and it kind of seems like it's like maybe the timing belt, because it gives you a weird noise when you try to start it. But it's actually the fuel pump. I wish I had a video of us trying to start the vehicle before this issue. But that's how you remove it. It's actually very easy. I mean, it was a 2-man job, but you can do it by yourself. Under 30 minutes. We've been doing this for about 20. Installation is the same, but in reverse. You can, like I mentioned before, buy the part on Amazon or wherever you would like to buy it. But I hope this video helped you. We made it with the purpose of helping people that want to do it themselves and don't want to pay a mechanic a load of money for this. So you can actually do it yourself. It's very easy, and you saw the tools that we used: flathead, hammer, Phillips screwdriver, a socket 14, and the ratchet with the extension. That was it. If this video helped you guys, it's been a lot of effort to make these videos. Please drop a like, subscribe, share it, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.